Hi folks, I just finished reading Raise Your Hand, and there's a couple things I want to point out to you. First of all, most of you did not start working on the assignment for Wednesday until Wednesday. And the problem with that is you do not have the time, as I stated in the drafting video, to put the draft aside for a while and then come back to it. And then you have questions about where to put the post or what to do with it, and you are confused and you're asking questions at night when I am not on the in the class site. So, as a fair warning, if you're posting questions about the class, usually after 4 o'clock on the time an assignment is due, I can't help you. You need to work ahead. If you're not going to work ahead, this class isn't going to work for you. The other thing that many of you are doing is you went to the discussion board and you saw that, oh my goodness, I have to have a WordPress site. That assignment is for a few weeks from now, a couple weeks at least. And you are panicking, and then you're confusing yourselves because you're looking ahead. That's why when you go to the content, and that's the only place you should be working. Come on, there we go. If you noticed, you have my recording that says, hey, this is what you need to do. And then you've got some recordings here, some videos about how to pre-write and draft and disguise. And then you've got the assignment. If you click on right here, see these two little quote boxes like you'd see on a cartoon? Writing the first blog, if you click on that, you have exactly where you can start your new thread. That's all you need to do. Don't look ahead. Don't go just to the discussion board. You're going to confuse yourself, okay? Now, you'll notice that if you go back to content, next week's content isn't quite there yet. It's empty. There's a quiz, but you don't know what to take the quiz on. So, what'll happen, if you notice, it's going to open on September 4th. I may open that earlier, and then you'll see the assignments. But don't go looking through here. Oh, I gotta find what's in the Dropbox, and then the quizzes, and the discussions. Don't go looking for that, because you're going to confuse yourself, and you're going to see all these things, and you're not going to know when they're due. And when they're due is by looking in content. Okay? Now for this week, if we can get back up here, you needed to take your quiz. Don't forget that by September 4th. And you need to start responding now to the blog posts. I hope you can get them done before the holiday weekend. If not, they are not due till September 4th, which is, I believe, Sunday. Yeah, it is Sunday. I hope this clears up some confusion, and again, ask your questions ahead of time. Also, some of you asked questions on the discussion, on the Raise Your Hand forum, that you could have read the answers to previously. In the Raise Your Hand forum, come on, let's open up. There we go. These questions up here were the same as, for the most part, what's down here. So if you had read these questions in my answer here, you would have had the answers and you wouldn't have had to post. Okay, I hope this made sense. It was off the top of my head, but these were things I wanted to get out to you. Today I'll be spending time reading your posts, and you will get a email message with my comments about the first blog post. And you will also get comments from your classmates. Take it easy today. Enjoy the posts. I'm sure that they're interesting. The few I previewed look really good. And I'll talk to you again soon.